What is up, friends? Today I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A8 for you. It's a little late now, but I've been using this phone as my daily driver for the past few months and I really do love it. And let me unbox this phone and explain to you why it's such a good mid-range budget phone. So right off the bat, you have your menus here, which aren't too important, and you also have your SIM card tray key, which comes pretty standard with most smartphones these days. Now here we have the phone itself with its really long and nice infinity display with a resolution of 2220 by 1080, which gives you an aspect ratio around 18.5 by 9, which is longer than the typical phone, but I find it really nice for media consumption. Now, along with most other smartphones, Samsung includes your standard charging brick, where this one has the fast adaptive charging and a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, because the Galaxy A8 does indeed use Type-C as its cable connector. And obviously there's the standard earbuds, but that mostly concludes this unboxing. If you have any questions about the Samsung Galaxy A8 or smartphones in general, please do not be afraid to leave a comment in the comment section below. And I will be reviewing this phone in the future, so please subscribe if you want to see that. And finally, I rate this phone a 8.5 out of engineering student, because me as an engineering student, I feel like I'm qualified to say that. And this takes into account the value of the phone mainly, because you want the power, but you also want it not at a ridiculously stupid price like you pay for an iPhone. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I really hope to see you next time. See ya!